I'm Stan Mander and I'm out here. And this is American Graffiti. And here's the cruise. There goes the Chevelle. Here it goes, looks like a 65 El Camino. 57, I think, Fairlane. That's a 57 Chevy Nomad. 63 Vet. 57 Chevy truck, another 57 two-door Bel Air. Now these pickups, I don't know the years, I'm not that good at that. It looks like a 67, a couple of Chevy pickups and a 67 Nova. It's not a warm day. You can see how I'm dressed. We left the house about 4 o'clock. It's probably about 60 degrees, no, 68 degrees. Another 57. That was a Willys drag car. That looks like a 32 or a 33. Here's a T-bucket right here with the big tires in the back. Looks like a 67 Vet, something like that. Here's an all Willys Jeep. 55 Bel Air. A real nice GTO here. I love the color. Here comes somebody in a, this is a, it's like, I don't know, 68 maybe, or 69. Here, oh look at this. 63 split window Vet, 70 C10. I could be wrong on some of these years, but it's so cool. I love this stuff. Wow, look at this. Here goes a 68. No, I think it's a 68. It has no wing window. Camaro. 67 truck. 67 Mustang. This looks like a 32 maybe. 32 Ford. This is a Shelby wannabe or a Shelby look-alike. I don't think it's a real one. That looks like, I want to say a 70 F-250. This right here, 59 or 60. It's real nice. Impala. Wow, look at this. 65 Pontiac wagon. Awesome. Now this is a 36, I think. And you can always tell a 56 because it's got the narrower grille. That's a 58 or 59? 58. It's got the four headlights. Yeah, it is definitely a chilly day today. That's a 70 or a 71. Is that a 71? Is that a 71? I can't hear me. That's a 57. You can tell that's easy. And that's a 55. Wow, so many nice cars. Holy cow. American Graffiti, everybody. That's a 67. No, actually no wing window. That's a 69. What's going on here? And this is a real nice truck. What year? I don't know. What year is your truck? 35. What? 35, thank you. That looks like a 70 Cutlass. Could be, that's a 656. This right here is a square body Don't know my square bodies that well. Oh, look, it's a Plymouth. Love that pink color. Awesome. 58 vet with the 4 headlights. Nicely done. It doesn't have a stock color though. Again, another 56. Oh, look at this. This is a drag car. It's 55. Really nice. Here's a, I want to say 68 there. I could be wrong on that. 70, 71. Awesome. This is a 67 Impala. And this looks like a 32. 32? 32? Awesome. Wow, man, there's so many people out here. This is a trip. I love that it's a show and a drive around. So we're here in Petaluma, California. If you're new to my channel, I do travel and leisure and the stuff that's going on in my community. So this is, if you're new to my channel, downtown Petaluma. These are all iron front buildings. A lot of them are cast in Oakland, California. And yeah, so we still have a lot of the old buildings that survived the earthquake. So this is the American Graffiti car show and drag. And I'm just kind of walking in the middle of the street here. Weirdly enough, the street is still open, so I don't want to get run over. I love this orange color. That's really unusual. I think it's a 62. Let me ask the guy. Hey, is that a 62? Yeah. Really nice. The year that I was born. Okay, now here goes the wife. Okay, I don't want to lose her. This is 67. You can tell it's got the wing window. And here's a nice 67 Mustang. That's Oldsmobile. Here goes an original 3-window Ford 32. Nice. Rumble seat. Really narrow. You can see how they don't got much room in there. It's really nice though. Real fun car. 80-year-old car. Think about it. Wow, this guy's updated his 57. Here's a Highboy. Highboys don't have any fenders. They were kind of a race car in the 50s. So 30s car in the 50s, a 20-year-old car. I guess we're gonna cross here, and drop off some stuff with my son. Look at that, Joy. The red one up there, the 1940 Ford with the teardrop lights is one of my favorites. Real nice 65. Anyways, a lot of cool stuff going on. I'm gonna cut the video short, and yeah. So this is American Graffiti, Petaluma, California. I'm Stin Mander, and I'm out here. And thanks very much for watching. One last shot of that 40 Ford, the red one, right up there with the, I don't know if you can see it, with the really cool teardrop headlights. All right, thanks for watching, everybody.